the best for printing. Okay, so let's just wait for it to be done processing, and we should start. Hello guys, and welcome to AFS More. This is Kim, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a simple tutorial, and that tutorial will be something called, or this tutorial is something called how to print using Canva. Now some of you may have some hard times on how you can print on Canva because it is new, especially for a lot of people who have not yet caught up with the trend. So yeah, Canva is a designing application that a lot of people use nowadays because it's very convenient. But let's say you've already done your designing or your writing. For example, I have created a lesson plan over here, and I want to print it into a paper so that I can bring it around at school every day when I'm teaching my student. So what you need to do is just head over here to print with Canva. But actually, this is not what we're going to be doing because this is pretty expensive. So what we need to do is just go over here to share and go to download, and then just change your file type to PDF print because this is the best for printing. Okay, so let's just wait for it to be done processing, and we should start. Well, we just need to wait while Canva processes this file for us to download, and as you can see, we can now download it, and now let's just wait for it to finish downloading. It's gonna take a while, and there we have it. We have our lesson plan downloaded. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out that lesson plan. You've been seeing my behind the scenes, as you can see, and we go over here to documents, I think. So I have here my lesson plan now, and there we go. So no, I'm not saying that this is already the printed one. What we need to do now from here is we go over, depending on what app you are using. I'm using the WPS Office. We go here to menu and go over here to print. Now this is also something that you can do online, but for me, so as you can see here, I can now start printing this by just setting this, finding the printer that I'm using right now. I don't have a printer. Then let's just start setting anything, all of these, and then we just click on print. Okay, so another thing that you can do if you don't have WPS Office, you just right click on the file itself and then go to show more options, and then you click on print over here, and it should open the most relevant application, or the application that you have set to print your paper as. So for me, it's been set to WPS Office, but for others it might be Adobe Acrobat or even Google Chrome. So it really depends on what you have set as default. But that is it. That is how you can print your Canva file on your PC. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.